Okay, let's see. How to find people. Well, people, you want to start work. So, I want to show you how to create an AI agent on n8n. So, this is how we're going to start. We open our n8n, and this one is just created from scratch. So, we can start now. Let's say, create our workflows. The most essential part of n8n is to create our AI agents that our parents our AI agents and our brain. So this is what is now we have different types of triggers. Our triggers are what starts the action of our workflow. So we're going to say this is trigger manually. Just say let it work anyhow when you want it to do. On app event, like if Telegram receives a message, Motion receives a message if you are familiar with any of those, or the ATM receives a message. On schedule, let's say you set it to be this time or this time, web call and form submission. Okay, on chat message, when running an evaluation or other ways, on chat message, that was what I to use. When a message enters, it starts to work through. So now we call it execute. So that is tests. So then we have to give it a message. So that means we gotta give it a message, which will be let's type hi. It is gonna be that's what the note executed successfully. Now let's now say we need an AI agent that will break down everything the chat will receive. Now the chat input is successful. Once it's successful, it will show green. Now we need our chat model. This is when credentials come in. So credentials are what prove you are suitable for this. Is what proves you are suitable for what you are doing. So now you need an API key. So to register your credential, you need an API key. So open a new tab, then search for OpenAI. Open AI API key. Now you look for this blue as OpenAI platform. Create an OpenAI API key. You select that, waiting for it reloading. Now they'll tell you login. You log in to you got the first thing this up. You have to be fast. We gotta reload this because yes. Now we gotta log in. Quick movements. You gotta be fast. Our full name, let's write Shuku Kaima IGBU ENUGO. Now that is 16th. Okay. Let's do like I guess this one will be 02 16. Oh, that's like 19 because I to register. This one is the one that is 16. She's always the Okay, so now let's now say credential. Okay, pretty. Somewhat because you are not just for tutorial, so you gotta be careful what you pick. Now invite your team later because now this one has become more serious. Now let's just say credential to make it fast. Credential. Okay. Now it has created our credential. So copy. That's been copied. So now we go here. Now insert our API key, which we have one. Now let's now say credential. You just give it which is optional, so no big deal, so you cannot just stop you for it. This one is so now you can see couldn't connect. Now that means there's a problem. If this shows then that means there's a problem. So because they said API call, you gotta come here, copy. So most of the time just say never because right now it hasn't. Now memory. Memory is what keeps any message. So like if there's no memory, like if you send a message to something, like if you tell a human being, every human being has a memory. If you tell a human being without memory what a discussion you had yesterday, you will tell him again what discussion we had, it won't remember. So there's no use talking to a, an AI that does not talk, that does not remember anything. So now this is the main use of this. Now we come to our tool. Tool, you can make your own code because now every lecture that's a OpenAI we do. Now let's now see most of them are write code. I love writing this. So it's know what is doing. So whatever you are doing, I also like writing to calculator if it is in code. Now the other tool, which is let's start calculator. Calculator now execute. Perfect. I did not know how to do that. As a response. Now we're coming to tool, which will now be what will we pick answer. Now let's tap Wikipedia. Wikipedia is always what checks about what is in the world. So now let's tap world. Which may I like that everybody should be taking that. Now his answers. A word is a totality of entities. So which that's what it is. Now we always want to tidy up. Tidy up is arranges it. So now it will be good if you add something here. I do know that with set. Edit fields. If I say set is a grinder, a breaker for anything that you send to something. So now these are sets. Okay, now set. Let's just call it breaker. Now it will always collect it from the chat inputs. That will always be good. What it is receiving from. Now let's start execute. You see? Now the is always showing this one. Now we let's now come here again and then set. Let's see, I like it doing having it at all intervals. Execute. Okay, this one is just one. So now let's tab what is a cut. You see, this one actually have a problem. Let me give you the main reason. If you come here, this one is always going to be red. So that's why people like using defined below. So now let's come to chat input. I'm going here. Which should be chat input. Input it. You drag and press it. Also execute. It's good. When then it's done, it enters here. Now you can see perfectly done. Now let's open that again and now type what is a cut. That will give us is a cut. Now don't forget if you use you see now this is our output which is our let me see our response. A cat also called domestic cat or house cat. Felis catus. Now let's now ask it. Now because of this, the reason why this one is yellow is because of not yet giving it a value. So now let's give it output, which is bringing out. Now open chat. Hi. Let's give something like that. You see? Done. Now, how can I assist you today? Now let's give it. Okay. My name is Kaima. Now let's say that. Nice to meet you, Kaima. How can I help you today? Now, give me the answer to answer to what? To A plus 3A is equals to 10. Now we'll sort it together. Mostly now you should expect this one to root. You see, that's my name. 2A which will show us everybody who is a mathematician here. Surely get it. Now let's ask it. What is my name? This is now to test our memory. So I need to remember. But let's see. Your name is Karima. Without this, you can't expect it to remember your name. Now, ask it. What's the last question I told you to remember? So, thank you for today. I'll be expecting you in the next round.